Hello guys, today it's time for the jigsaw. This one was frozen, so now it's a little bit mushy, but it should be still pretty fucking spicy. It looks almost like a ghost, but it is not a ghost. It is a Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw made from a guy from Finland, and it's absolutely insane. I had it before, and I'm scared about this one because I think it will fuck me up good. So let's go. I'm scared to swallow this. It was really hard to chew because it was all mushy. Usually they're crunchy and it's easier to chew. This one was just like, oof, and it's so fucking strong. Yeah. Oh. I want to drink right from the bed. I want to drink anything. Holy shit, man. This is a mistake for sure. Saliva. Mouth and throat. Ears. This one. The taste is... it tastes good, but... oh man. Tears already. Okay. Oh, fuck me, man. This is the start, and it's already fucking hot as shit. No, it's not visible, but tears are coming. Taste is almost the same as any of the hot peppers I had. They all taste the same to me. The Reaper, the Scorpion, Ghost, this one, the Boot Orange Copenhagen. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. shit's nasty, man. Holy shit. Those. I'm becoming red, just like the jigsaw. I'm gonna wait more than last time. Last time I waited for 6 minutes or 7. It was too little. Today I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes. Stay right behind the camera. I'm gonna have some milk later. If the crab's gonna be too hard. Oh man. It's going up. My nose is stuffed. I can't even breathe through my nose, which is bad. I can't go for the milk. It's too early. No man. These peppers are just another level. I feel high. Also, these jigsaws are just big. Like, speaking from a point of weight, I think they're bigger than the others that I have. I have a scorpion that is ripening right now, and he looks huge. That's gonna be for next time. But this is just insane. Eyes. It's okay. I wiped them, so it's fine now. Oh man. I just don't know what to do with myself right now. Oh shit. I'm blowing my nose. It's a bad idea. I feel it here in my throat now. Ooh. That is 8 minutes. I'm gonna have a little bit of milk. Oh shit. Ears are, this one ear is like, I can feel it. This side. No. Ooh, Ooh. Good thing that I had a good meal before I ate this. Had a good meal, then I ate a yogurt above it, just to make sure. If I ate this on an empty stomach, I would be already on the bathroom, because they fuck me up so bad, man. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. Mm. And if you want to try this pepper, make sure it's called the Fatalii Gourmet Jigsaw, because there's 2 peppers that they're called jigsaws. There is another one that is ornamental. Damn, my nose is totally full. I wish the peppers opened my nose so I could breathe. I think I need an operation for this shit. One of the things that it's good to eat hot peppers is that if it's really hot outside, it makes you feel cooler. So yeah, eat hot peppers. It's hot outside. Just don't go out in the sun. You could get really hurt. Oh fuck. Now it's slowly going down. Finally, the milk helps. Oh yes. Now the battle to digest this shit is gonna be fucking hard. Next day, when I go to the bathroom, man, fuck, I'll be Gandalf fighting the Balrog again. What is it? 11 minutes, okay. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm gonna put it in the washing machine. Oh, fuck. The stomach is going much better than I anticipated. Last time I ate it, it fucked me up so badly. It's fucking me up as well, but not as bad as the last time. I think the tolerance went up, so I can handle it better. But this pepper here, oh man, I gave it a little small slice to a guy last time and he was dying. He started eating it, he was, and then he started panicking, running around. That's so funny to see someone doing that, but you know, this time, fuck that. Okay. Jigsaw. No. I'll wait 2 more minutes. Or maybe not. I don't know. Okay. I'm feeling like my stomach is ballooning. So that's not a good sign. Stomach is very irritated by this pepper. Let me see what's going on in my feed. Okay, depressurized. Now the mouth is, it has the small afterburn. Throat is okay. The ear is fine. The stomach is on fire. No hiccups, no cramps for now, so that's good. But it's still fucking hot in the belly. I think I will have a little bit more milk later on. And I'm not gonna blow my nose again because it's a mistake. Okay, so Jigsaw is down. It was bad, but not as bad as I was expecting. But it's still spicier than the Reaper that I had a few days ago. So I still think Jigsaw is spicier than the Reaper. But it can always be like an inconsistency between seeds, between genetics, maybe between... But I grow both of them with the same soil, with the same fertilizers, and the same technique on the same place. So with I got the seeds, I grow them on the same way, and the Jigsaw is spicier for sure. Also the pods are bigger, maybe that plays a role as well. But even when I was slicing them on smaller pieces, when I was trying to gain tolerance, the Jigsaw always looked so much spicier, man. But it's hard to tell without lab equipment and all that, you know, because you cannot trust your own that much. It's the same as cannabis. When you talk about cannabis potency, it's hard to tell, because once you consume something that is very strong, you gain some tolerance. The next time when you try the other, you're not trying it from the same starting point, so you could be very mistaken about it. The best way to know is to test it, but it's expensive. Who does that, you know? Only businesses that sell it. So okay, this is gonna be it for today. A motherfucker, this one.